Good afternoon, Steve Perkins here in West Texas. Wanted to talk a little bit about some things that I've written some notes on. I from some posts from some of the diamonds and upline leaders in LiveGood, and I wanted to just share some information with you and let you look at look at some of the things that you might be missing. LiveGood, people miss out on the LiveGood opportunity because they don't look at the true value and the potential strength and the potential future income that it can change your life. LiveGood is a simple program. You simply join it for $40 is a one-time affiliate fee. Once you pay that $40 affiliate fee, you are an affiliate for life. You're in it for the rest of your life. And then it's $9.95 a month to be active. Or like many people do, it's $99.95 for a year, and you save a couple of months on that $99.95 year-long membership. But there's something amazing that people miss out on it. They look at it and they don't look at the LiveGood compensation plan very closely, and they think it's all about products. Well, we have some fantastic products. Most of them are organic. They're certified. We have a 90-day empty bottle guarantee. If within the first 90 days you buy a product, you don't like it, you don't like the smell, you don't like the color, it just doesn't work for you, it doesn't do anything for you, you just simply send back the empty bottle and we'll refund your money in the first 90 days. But they look at it, well, how can you make money with a $9.95 a month business? Well, it's very simple. We don't make money on the product because there's no automatic shipment required. And so, well, how do you make money if you're not shipping products? That's what I'm going to talk about today. Let's look at the first income. Let me pop over here to the there are 7 ways to earn income with LiveGood. It's an affiliate. If you're an affiliate and you're promoting the program, here's what you can earn. If you the first way we earn is very simple and quick. It's called the Fast Start Bonus. Every time you invite someone to join LiveGood, you earn $25. That's 50% of the $49.95 startup cost, which is $40 for the affiliate fee and $9.95 for the monthly membership. Okay, after you get that, then you're going to earn $25. So if you share LiveGood with just 4 people, you're pocketing $100 right there. You share it with 4 people, they become members, and within a short time, and within the next payday, you are going to earn $25 for each person. So if you signed up 2, that's $50 that you've made your money back. If you sign up 4, you've doubled your money in just a week. Okay, that's the first way you get paid. The second way you get paid is matrix commissions. Now, the matrix commissions is it's a 2 by 15 matrix, the full matrix. But when you first start off, you're going to have a 2 by 12 matrix. For every person in that matrix, and what that means is you're going to have 2 people on your first line, 4 on your second line, 8 on your third line, and so on and so forth. And you fill that 12 person matrix, you're going to earn $2,047.50. 25 cents for each person in the matrix. How fast is it going to fill in? I don't know. There is no requirement to sponsor anybody. That matrix can be filled from your upline or their upline because everything fills down below on a 2 by 15 matrix. until you started rising the ranks. Yours is at 2 by 12. Okay. Now, this is where people stop looking. Unfortunately, every member pays $9.95 a month, and every person in the matrix up to 12 levels deep, it's going to be worth 25 cents to you. It doesn't sound like much, but it's where the magic happens. People get stuck on this earning just a quarter, but that quarter cent, 25 cents, grows if the matrix fills. An unranked affiliate can potentially earn $2,047.50 a month over time. Now, it takes time to reach that level, so as the matrix fills slowly, up to over 8,000 people in the matrix. But here's the point. If people start seeing even a $10 monthly profit, they're likely to stick around. So, that's one way to look at it. And to stick around, and if you look at it here, bronze, you become a bronze affiliate when you have sponsored or shared this with just 2 people that register on your tour link, and they register, then your matrix is going to go down to 13. You're going to double your minimum of over $4,000 when that matrix filled in. Okay, and there are over 3,500 plus new bronze members every month. This thing is growing phenomenally. Okay, now, that's the matrix. Now, here's where people stop looking. You know, they $9.95 membership fee, they look at it. They're going to start earning as the matrix grows. It's not like you go from earning 25 cents, but as your matrix grows at the end of every month, you're going to get paid on your monthly pay. I have people in my downline that have not sponsored anybody yet, but yet their matrix is growing from the spillover that I am providing, and some of my upline sponsors are providing. They're filling in our matrix. So every month, they're just small as it may be, they're starting to see a little bit of earning coming every month. So it works. Now here's where the magic starts to happen. This is where a lot of people start getting excited. When you enroll somebody, anybody that you've personally enrolled, every month, whatever they earn, you're going to earn 50% of what they've earned. So let's take it, for example, if you look at it this way, I'll just use the example right here below. This is in the back office. I'm showing you right off the big clock. If you were to enroll 10 people personally, and they're each earning $6,000 per month in their matrix, you will match 50% of what they earn in their matrix. That means that you will earn $3,000 matching bonus on each of them every month for a total of $30,000. 10 people times 3,000 a month in commissions on just those 10 people alone. And that doesn't include what you earn in your matrix, plus potential hundreds and thousands of people will think. But I look at it this way. If you join the program and you enroll, and then you decide, well, I'm going to enroll 2 people and make my money back. All right, you've got 2 people. Even if you had 2 people and all they did was earn a full matrix, how long it takes, I don't know. But even if they just had 2 people, each one of those people have the potential of being an extra $1,000 a month, because you're going to earn 50% of everything they earn on their matrix. So as you grow, you're going to do it. When you hit silver, that's when you've personally enrolled 10 people or more and have 20 or more in your downline. You're going to earn not only 50% on the personally enrolled people, you're going to also earn 10% off of anybody they potentially enroll, and second generation, you're going to earn 10%. And this thing grows and grows and grows. This is where you start making your money. This is where people can make an extra $1,000 a month from just one person. So even if you just enrolled one person and you just sat back and waited for the matrix to fill in, whether it takes a year, 6 months, a year, or longer, you're going to make potentially, when their matrix fills in, you're going to potentially earn an extra $1,000 just for enrolling that person. It really adds up. And the way right now, duplication is happening like crazy. Every week, 3,500 or plus are hitting roll and enrolling by enrolling just 2 people. So it creates a snowball effect. If you enroll 2 people and you start seeing a little bit of extra with that matching bonus every month on your earnings from what the people you sponsored or enrolled, you're going to start getting excited. The key is to share that with those that you have personally enrolled and get them excited about going out and enrolling 2 people. We're not asking people to join. You know, if you want to sponsor, I mean, we've got people that have sponsored hundreds and thousands of people. But if you just want to get excited, enroll 2 people and teach them how to enroll 2 people and ask them to share that with the people they have enrolled. You start doing that, you're going to start seeing growth happen and snowball, and people start getting excited, and you're going to see your matrix grow. I'm seeing this happen in my people. So what it means is that if you're watching LiveGood from the sidelines, if you're watching people and wondering why are these people so excited about sharing this little $9.95 business, well, it comes down to the matrix sharing. You have the potential of earning thousands upon thousands upon thousands. I know one diamond that I know. They started off with 4 people, and they went out and they started sharing it with 4 people and taught those people to share it with people, and then they taught people to share people. They now have over 30,000 people in their matrix, in their downline, and in just about, I think it was 4 to 6 months later, this guy's making 10,000 plus a month. We had a gentleman that was in a homeless shelter just 2 years ago. When this thing kicked off, when LiveGood first kicked off as an affiliate network marketing company back in December of 2022, this guy was living in a homeless shelter. He had a government issued cell phone. He took that cell phone, began to use it and start posting links on social media, and today he's making close to $100,000 a month just from sharing a simple little link and a tour. He saw past the 25 cents a month. He saw past making all this kind of money. He looked past that. He got down here to this matching bonus and started seeing how that thing just explodes. And then there's more commissions. I mean, you got retail commissions, customer acquisition commissions, influencer commissions, and then you have your diamond pool and crown diamond pool. It continues to grow. And one of the things that people are getting excited about is they're getting excited about the future potential that LiveGood presents to them. And so they've stopped looking at LiveGood from the outside, and they're no longer missing the power of what LiveGood can do for you. So I'm excited today, and I want to ask you right now to join my team. Claim your spot now, and let's see you begin to profit, and let's see you grow, even if it's a future. I mean, you can work on your job. For most jobs, you only get a review once a year. and you get a raise. With LiveGood, you can get a raise every month just by sharing it with 1 or 2 people a month. And you got the potential to grow to $10,000 a month. You don't have to wait till next year. You can do it this year. You can do it this in a few months. So begin to look at this at the powerful thing that it is. Take advantage of it and join us. So if you want to join, there'll be links in this video, at the end of this video, for you to join, to take a look at a free tour, watch a 5 to 6 minute video, and you'll begin to see the power of what LiveGood can do for you. It is so powerful that people are amazed at what LiveGood can do for you. So be excited, take advantage of it, and click the link in the video. I'll post it in the video. I'll post it along with the description of this video. But take advantage of it. Don't wait on the sidelines anymore. Now is the time to become part of one of the fastest growing network marketing companies in the world. We are in over 230 countries, and it is growing by leaps and bounds. Thank you for watching, and as always, like and share this video. If you're not a subscriber of my YouTube channel, please subscribe and comment, and we'll look forward to talking to you again. Have a great day, and be blessed and prosperous. Thank you.